Alright guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing amazingly well. और हम लोग अभी आए हैं आज एक अमेजिंग प्लेस में जहाँ पे बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ है. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग लेके चल रहे हैं तानिया को. तानिया, आर यू एक्साइटेड टू गो टू दी ओल्ड मैकडॉनल्ड फार्म? यस. तो वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे एनिमल्स हैं. आई मीन मोस्टली फार्म एनिमल्स जो आप पेट कर सकते हो और देख सकते हो. हॉर्सेस, मेनी थिंग्स हम लोग आपको आगे ब्लॉग में बताएंगे. सो 3:30 का स्लॉट बुक किया था मैंने आफ्टरनून का. इसका ऑनलाइन बुकिंग करना पड़ता है, वो काफ़ी ज़रूरी है. तो आप ऑनलाइन बुकिंग करके ही आना. तो अभी हम लोग चल रहे हैं अंदर. इसका कुछ रोड इस तरह है. तो अंदर चलते हैं, बाकी का डिटेल्स आपको अंदर ब्लॉग में देता हूँ मैं. तो लेट्स गेट गोइंग. लेट्स गो. चलो. So we are going for the farm tour and we have a tour guide who will be taking us inside. Let's follow him and let's witness all the farm animals over here. Let's go.
We started in the year 1998. Formerly we were a stud farm. This enterprise is owned and run by a mother and son, and our center is based on a 10+ acre. We are one of the biggest riding schools in the country, and in fact the biggest in Western India. We started with 6 horses. Today we have 70+ horses with us. Now what Japalouppe means? Japalouppe is a name actually of a French horse which we have taken for our enterprise. So today you all have come to visit the petting farm where you'll be interacting with the animals and birds, feeding them with your own hands when you enter the enclosure. Now this is a petting basket as we call it. It is given to kids only. So you bigsters, if you all don't get one, please don't cry. Now in this basket is just a treat for them. It's not to fill their stomachs up. So I'll start with the bread. The bread are for your ducks and geese. Now when you go inside the pens of the duck and geese, you will not take your bread from your basket and start tossing it to them. In fact, you take small portions in your palm, cup it and bend. The geese and duck will start eating it. Do not worry about getting bitten by a geese or a duck because they have no teeth. Yeah? Now this is a cauliflower leaf where you'll be feeding most of the animals. We have a pair of birds, they are the emus. Because they will not pick it up from the floor and eat it because they have an attitude. So when you all are going to feed it, always hold the end part of your leaf tight and stretch your hands and we'll start plucking it by the beak. Then you can feed Candy the donkey, Sheldon the little bull, Sheldon, Momo and Leo, they are the miniature cattle. Then you can feed the Yorkshire pigs which we have there, Mama pig and the 9 piglets. Then you can feed the rabbits with it. Yeah. Then you can feed the goats with the same leaf. And we have 2 sheep which we have named them Baba the black sheep and Barbara the black sheep. Yeah. Then you can feed the guinea pigs which will be given to you on your lap to feed them. But the same leaf you will not feed the horses when you visit their stable. Yeah, because this leaf tends to give them colic. And if the colic turns out to be very severe, there are chances of death to the horse. For them you have a carrot stick as a treat. Now there's a saying like never approach a horse from behind. And horse is a tall, strong animal. Anyone standing behind them, they think they are going to be attacked. That is why they give you a good kick, otherwise a good whack by the tail. If not that, worse come to worse, then they'll fart on you. Yeah. So when y'all are feeding the horses, always hold the thicker part of your carrot sticks with 3 fingers and just place it below its mouth. They'll take the first bite and swallow the rest. Do not try to feed the horse from the sides because they have no teeth. And you children, when you all are feeding the horses, please do not hold your carrots at the center. The horses at Japalouppe are pure vegetarians. Those 4 fingers of yours will confuse the horse thinking it's a new variety of carrot. And you will go home with 4 fingers missing there. Yeah? Now finally the birds. Now when you go into the aviary, you will go empty-handed. You will not take the basket along with you inside. We'll give you seeds on your palm. Just hold your palms out straight and the birds will keep perching. Do not scream when the birds are trying to perch, otherwise they'll get scared, they'll fly away, and there's no guarantee of them coming to you. Yeah? This tour will be for 45 minutes to an hour. There'll be a guide along with you. Listen to the guide when he tells you to move from one pen to the other, and stay as a group throughout your tour with him. After your tour, there'll be high tea at the far end of our counter, which is a self-service. Once you are finished with your high tea, please dispose the plates into the bins which are kept there. And parents, if you wish to take your child for a pony, send a child for your pony trail. It's an extra cost, of course. It's a 15 to 20 minutes walk till the other side of the farm and back. Even an adult can go for it on a taller horse if they wish to. But if an adult is over 80 kilo, then I would suggest join the gym, reduce some weight, come next time for a pony trail. Yeah, so now your names will be called out and put into a group. So thank you very much for your time and have a great day.
Hello. Hi, Cockatiel. What do you want? Wait. Just sit quietly, okay? Don't do shitty. Don't do shitty.
अपने क्या कर रहा है?
You don't do? You don't do let's go. You నేను పోడొచ్చు అలా పడుకుంటుంది నడ పోడుందో లేరే నువ్వు వద్దే ఇక పోడొచ్చు मैंने टच करो मम्मा ने भी टच किया
करो टच करो
अरे पूरा नीचे पड़ो ना Nanu, look here. Look here, Nanu. It is eating. Why is it standing? ये ना बोलते हैं. छोटा वाला करो जी. सुने. ऊपर ये पोड़ो ची. ये पोड़िंग करेंगे. अरे दाना वाली. अरे पूरी है
हाँ अब मैं करता हूँ हाँ दो
आओ तो मैं कुत्ता गिलास हाँ ऑन किया
वहाँ से जब कुछ संभाल के पिलाना
वो काट के
मेरा से पिलाना ब्रेक नहीं करो बड़ा ही पिलाना
अच्छा उसको बड़ा ही चाहिए
पत्ते जो है इनको ज़्यादा पास नहीं जाना है इधर से देना
इधर तक मल्टी ले जाना है अभी तक डेढ़ चलेंगे तो मेरे कोरियन पंडित को मेरे तो डॉक्टर का मित्र अंकल के सीटिंग मत बोलो रिवर्ड पोती दुखी पड़ो
देखो छोटे डोंकी का नाम पैरी है बड़े डोंकी का नाम कैंडी है
Persian
और बैठ कर
वो तिल पूछो, रेड तिल पूछो, कैरेट।
ये तेरे दूध को भी कहते हैं, काटते नहीं है।
खाओ करो आई का डाइजेशन आप और ले लो ब्रेड बाबा थोड़ा सा होगा
कौन मैं बोलता हूँ
खींचता है यार सीधा
नहीं ये
Hi, turtle. What is your name? Hi, turtle. What? Nona. Nona थोड़ी है इसका नाम. Turtle का नाम क्या होता है? Ninja turtle.
कुछ भी
This is ninja. See how it is looking at Nanu. See? कुछ नहीं कर रहा. इसमें लेग बाहर डाला. इसको छोड़ो नीचे.
रुक 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 डर
ये डर रहा है, इसको छोड़ू क्या? कुछ नहीं करेगा, बैठो। अरे वो पानी में जा रहा है। वेट, क्यों डर रहे हो आप इतना? अंकल को कैसा क्यों डर रहे हो आप? देखिए enjoy carrot? Yeah, yes. So our pet zone is done. Now we had Mamam. Now we are going to pony ride. So are you excited for a pony ride?
Yes.
Yes. So let's go.
Okay.
Chalo. Are you excited to go?
Yes.
Good. तो अंकल बोलेगा वैसा पकड़ो, ओके? और वो इंस्ट्रक्टर अंकल बोलेंगे वैसे पकड़ने का, ओके? Are you ready?
लेफ्ट लेग
Other leg.
Come on, 1, 2, 3 and jump. I'm helping you. Yes, चलेगा down. चलेगा. Her name is Buttercup.
Buttercup, your horse name. Wow. Nanu, bye.